Hey guys, it's Callie from Free Spirit Solutions, MCA for Dummies. I wanted to come on, actually did a video, a Zoom, and then I uploaded it to YouTube, and it was just horrible audio quality, so I'm back again, and I wanted to show you SEO if you're using a Wix free site, and a few different things on there, and I wanted to show you how to connect your domain from GoDaddy with your Wix site for free without having to upgrade. If you click connect domain from Wix, it's going to ask you to upgrade your site, but there is a way to do it without upgrading. So what you'll do is log in, and this is what's going to look like. If you have a site already created, I should say. So you're going to take your link right here. You're going to copy it. And once you've already purchased a domain, this video is not really about purchasing. I think you guys can figure that out anyway. If not, you can message me. I'm not going to be able to show you exactly how to do it just because I don't have an open domain right now. Mine are all being put to use. But I'm just going to show you where to do it. So this is going to be when you're logged in, you've already purchased it. You're going to go into your products. See right here, I'm in my products. You'll go through your settings to get there. So then you're going to go to manage. Give it just a second. My stuff always runs slow when I'm recording. So now, just a little tip while we're waiting. When you are picking a domain name, you want something that's very easy for people to remember so that they can always come back to you after you've talked to someone. And you want it to brand yourself and your business. And you want it to be short. You know, that goes along with being easy to remember. But another thing, if you're a marketer on a budget, instead of getting a .com, if you go for a .info or a .club or .co, those domains are going to be cheaper. This MCA for Dummies .info I got for $2. My .coms were, I believe, $9 or $12 for the year. It's not bad. Oops. So if you just saw my address and information there, please don't show up at my house. We have shotguns. What you're gonna do, mine looks a little bit different than what yours looks like, but after you purchase, it's gonna say like, put my name to work, or put your domain to work, or it says something cute like that. And you'll just click on that button, and it's going to bring you into the same kind of little area where you will set up your forwarding. That's what you want to look for, is forwarding. So down here, it's already in. It's going to pop up a little box for me in a minute. Maybe. Here it goes. So forwarding and masking. Yours will be empty. You won't have one in here yet. But you're just going to go into edit. Edit. Okay. And then you're going to paste your link here in the forward to. Sorry guys. So right in there, that's where your Wix site URL is going to go. Make sure it is the whole link. Okay? The first part, and then also the dash and your site name. You want it to be the whole link, okay? And then permanent. Down here, this is, it's up to you. You can click on the little info here and it'll tell you about it. I just forward only. And definitely leave this checked here. So, and you would just save that, okay? And it can take like sometimes 10 minutes for it to go live. But you want to just preview, make sure everything is working, and you're going to be good to go. You'll be all connected. So that is how you connect your domain to your Wix site for free without upgrading your Wix. Now, over here on Wix, the other thing I want to show you is, sorry, let's look at this one first. How to update your SEO for your Wix site. That's, I believe it's search engine optimization. It's how you get found on Google. So, what you'll do is go here, edit site. It's going to pop open your website. And I'm just using this one for an example. For those of you who have like an opportunity page, when you drop down here in your pages menu, you probably only have one page or maybe 2 pages. But this training site has some extra pages. So what you'll, either way, it's still going to say manage pages here at the bottom of this menu. So that's what I want you to click on. And it's going to pop up your menu. And then what you need to do is go into each one of your pages, or, you know, your one page, and you want to go into page SEO. Okay? Now, mine looks different, of course, because it's already filled in. I probably should have just made a dummy site to do this for you guys, but I'm very confident in your ability to figure it out, or to YouTube it, or you can reach out to one of the admins. Okay, you guys got this. But so yours is going to be blank, or it's going to have like some little sample thing in there, and what you'll do is just type in your title and your description. I've seen so many sites get sent out, and this stuff is all the generic stuff about Wix, and you don't want to leave it that way. It looks unprofessional and unfinished. Plus, you're not going to get found on Google. So, I have the title and then a little description about our group here. And then there's some other options as well. Down here, you can change the URL for the specific page if you want to. And you can also hide the page if you don't want it to be found, depending on what kind of website you're using. And you can see here, this isn't even all filled in for me yet. My page keywords. You want to put your keywords in there, and I suggest doing a little bit of research about what kind of keywords to put for your industry, whatever kind of website you're building. So, sorry, I'm trying to make this a little bit broader just because it will help some of the people in my other company as well. Sorry guys, but I wanted to be able to share it to both groups. So, now, you're going to do that on every page if you have other pages, and then you can see here where it says semi-dummy. See how that's grayed out of my menu? That's because I have the entire page hidden. It's an older training that we no longer use. So, what I was going to do is just redo this with our new training, but we've actually decided to move off of Wix with the training site just because there's so many videos and pages. It does tend to load slow. So we're going to be redoing the training site. That's going to be it's going to be done really soon. So, anyway, I want you guys to come in, and you can go into, just click around. Don't be scared to click on stuff. Anything you do can always be undone. Okay? But you can change the name of your pages on the menu. You want to make sure to do that, so people know what they're looking at, where they're going, if you do have a menu. And then, for those of you who want to make a capture page with Wix, that's possible too, and right in here is how you do that. You need to switch, instead of standard, you're going to go to no header and footer, and then you build your capture page. So, a little secret there. And I'm just clicking around to see what else I can talk about. I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. You want your SEO to be done, so you would go into each one of those things. Right there, click on the little menu, and it's going to pop up, and you'll click on SEO settings. So, very easy. Just type some things in there. Things that are going to help you be found. Okay? So, reach out if anything in here doesn't make sense. I just wanted to redo it. The first video was horrible. The audio sounded like somebody pushed the rewind button on me or something. It was nuts. Like another language. But that's all, guys.